When delivering IT to mission, specifically within inside our federal space, you need to take advantage of the best technology that's available on this planet. When we look at cloud technology, having a multi-cloud strategy allows you to take advantage of the best technical capabilities combined with the mass geo locations available for your different data centers to support your mission IT. When we look at desktop as a service specifically, the advantage is you want to get compute as close to the tactical edge as possible. So when you're talking about the global warfighter outside the federal space that you're supporting their mission, being able to take advantage of the data centers that are diverse in location across the various cloud providers, in addition to taking advantage of the technology advancements that each of them are making, whether for cost savings, GPU for graphics processing, high memory workloads, just across different regions. When you enable your customers, you are better able to enable their mission when you can support multi-cloud.